Measure 1. 1977 Jeep J20 4x4, $5,500, Grand Lake, Colorado. This 1977 Jeep J20 4x4 is a project vehicle with a solid foundation, priced at $5,500 in Grand Lake, Colorado. The truck is equipped with a V8 engine and a manual transmission, making it a great choice for enthusiasts looking for a rugged classic. The truck is in fair condition, with 16,000 miles on the odometer, though the mileage is reported to have rolled over. The body is red, and the truck is ready to be restored to its former glory. It's a quarter-ton pickup, and while it runs and drives, it still requires work. This is an excellent opportunity for someone who enjoys working on vehicles and has a bit of patience to bring this Jeep J20 back to life. Measure 2. 1977 Chevy SWB Big 10 Project Truck, $5,000, Northwest Tucson, Arizona. This 1977 Chevy C10 Big 10 is a project truck listed at $5,000 in Northwest Tucson, Arizona. With a small block Chevy engine, SBC, and automatic transmission, this truck is sold as a project vehicle, currently not running, and has been sitting for years. The body is in good shape, with only minor rust on the rocker panels and door bottoms. Missing parts include the radiator, carburetor, and drive shaft, which are essential for the truck to be roadworthy again. The truck comes with a clean Arizona title, making it a good starting point for a restoration project or a fun build. Three, 1972 Ford F250 Camper Special, $6,500, Spokane, Washington. This 1972 Ford F250 Camper Special is a well-maintained classic pickup, priced at $6,500 in Spokane, Washington. It features a rebuilt V8 engine, service transmission, and new upholstery on the seat. The truck has undergone a major overhaul, including a redone suspension, a new windshield, and numerous mechanical repairs. With only about 300 miles on the rebuilt engine, this truck is ready to serve for many years. The blue exterior gives it a vintage charm, and the interior has been updated for comfort. While it still needs minor finishing touches, the heavy lifting has already been done, making this F250 an attractive option for any classic truck enthusiast. Number 4. 1971 Dodge D100, $8,500, Dallas, Texas. This 1971 Dodge D100 is a long bed truck priced at $8,500 in Dallas, Texas. It features a 3 and 18 V8 engine with white wall tires, and it runs great. The truck has been maintained with recent repairs, including a new fuel pump, rebuilt carburetor, and a full tune-up with new spark plugs, wires, and coils. Despite the excellent condition of the truck, it has a minor issue with the speedometer coil, which prevents it from showing the correct speed. This truck is a classic with a timeless forest green color and a clean title. However, it lacks AC, heat, and radio connectivity, so expect to invest some additional work to bring it to full comfort. Number 5. 1970 Chevrolet C10, $9,000, Placerville, California. This 1970 Chevrolet C10 is an excellent condition classic truck, listed at $9,000 in Placerville, California. It has a 1989 TBI 350 engine paired with a 1989 TH350 transmission, making it a reliable choice for someone looking for a vintage truck that's easy to maintain. The truck runs and drives great, and it has been recently serviced at Lightfoot Automotive. The truck is currently being tested for interest, and the seller is open to either trades or cash to upgrade to a 1997 diesel truck. If you're looking for a dependable daily driver or a classic vehicle with potential for upgrades, this C10 is a solid option. NAR 6. 1971 Chevy C20, $8,200, Bellingham, Washington. This 1971 Chevy C20 is priced at $8,200 in Bellingham, Washington. It is in great running condition, with 88,000 original miles, and features a clean, original design. The truck is mostly stock, with only the radiator and fuel tank replaced over the years. Although it has some rust on the rocker panels, cab corners, and bed, it is still a solid choice for someone who values originality and reliability. The truck has been well maintained, and the current owner is parting with it due to lack of time for restoration. The C20 is a classic workhorse with a vintage appeal. Seven. 1973 Dodge W100 4x4 with plow, $3,000, Spokane, Washington. This 1973 Dodge W100 4x4 with a plow is priced at $3,000 in Spokane, Washington. It runs and drives well, and it comes equipped with a Chrysler 360 engine, a 727 transmission, and an NP205 divorce transfer case. The plow is included with all necessary mounts and hydraulic motor. While the truck is in fair condition with some cosmetic issues, it still has plenty of power and capability. The truck is ideal for anyone looking to put it to work as a plow vehicle or a project for further restoration. The locking hubs and strong rear axle make it a solid off-road vehicle. Eight. 1971 Chevrolet C10, $7,000, Bulverde, Texas. This 1971 Chevrolet C10 is priced at $7,000 in Bulverde, Texas. It is a solid truck that runs and drives but needs a few repairs. The truck features a 6-cylinder engine with a 3-speed manual transmission. It requires carburetor rebuild, minor shifter adjustments, and a new gas tank. Recent updates include new plugs, points, cap, and wires. The truck has a clean title, and while it's a bit of a project, it holds promise for the right person willing to invest in some repairs. Nine. 1966 GMC Fleetside LWB, $4,500, Bruceville, Texas. This 1966 GMC Fleetside LWB is priced at $4,500 in Bruceville, Texas. This truck is a 4-ton model with a 396 engine and Power Glide transmission, though the engine was added as part of a modification. The truck has some rust, especially in the bed area, and is a project vehicle suitable for restoration or modification. It's a great option for someone interested in building a custom hot rod or restoring a vintage classic. The price is fair considering the work required, and the truck comes with a clean title. (10) 1969 GMC 2500 3/4 ton utility truck, $5,500, Whittier, California. This 1969 GMC 2500 3/4 ton utility truck is listed at $5,500 in Whittier, California. The truck features a 292 CUN GMC high-torque engine with a 3-speed manual transmission. The utility bed includes tools such as a vise and clutch pipe chain clamp, adding utility value for someone looking for a workhorse. Although it needs some TLC, including a new windshield and minor rust repairs, it's a solid project truck or could be used for work as is. The clean California title adds to the truck's value. Measure 11. 1988 Chevrolet C1500, $4,200, Sylvan Springs, Alabama. This 1988 Chevrolet C1500 is priced at $4,200 in Sylvan Springs, Alabama. The truck features a 350 V8 engine and automatic transmission. It runs, drives, and shifts great and is in decent shape overall. With 200,000 miles on the odometer, it's a higher mileage vehicle, but still has plenty of life left for someone looking for a classic pickup with a solid engine. The truck has a clean title, making it a good option for anyone in search of a functional classic truck. (12) 1989 Ford diesel truck, $1,800, Mesa, Arizona. This 1989 Ford diesel truck is listed at $1,800 in Mesa, Arizona. It features a 7.3 IDI non-turbocharged diesel engine and is currently in salvage condition due to a fire that damaged some wires and rubber parts in the engine compartment. Despite the fire damage, the engine and transmission are in good condition, and the body is mostly straight. It's a great option for anyone looking to rebuild or use for parts. The truck has 220,000 miles on the odometer, and the seller is parting with it due to the fire damage. 13. 1989 Dodge Ram 150 LE, $5,000, Apopka, Florida. This 1989 Dodge Ram 150 LE is priced at $5,000 in Apopka, Florida. The truck has a rebuilt 360 LA engine with less than 500 miles on it, and it's paired with an A518 overdrive transmission. The front suspension has been completely rebuilt, and it has a clean Florida title. This truck has a solid foundation, with new tires and a great patina. It's a great project or a reliable vehicle for daily use, though it still has room for customization. The red exterior gives it a classic look, and the new engine parts make it a strong contender for restoration. 14. 1983 Chevrolet Custom Deluxe, $3,500, Mesquite, Texas. This 1983 Chevrolet Custom Deluxe is listed at $3,500 in Mesquite, Texas. The truck has an inline 6-cylinder 250 engine and is sold as a restoration project. It is not currently running, and it has a rolled-over odometer with 200,000 miles on it. The truck has a clean title and is ideal for someone looking to restore or customize a classic vehicle. It has some potential as a restoration project, And its low price makes it a great deal for anyone willing to invest time and money into bringing it back to life.